Okay, I got a Porsche 968. Got a dent in the hood there. And then a massive high spot here, cracked paint. What happened was the oil cap was, or maybe it's a coolant cap, I'm not exactly sure. It was on the engine block, closed the hood, and then caused an outward dent. So I've got a dolly system set up here. Dentcraft dolly wrapped in a towel. Put some pressure on the back side of the metal, and then we're gonna tap it down and hopefully smooth this thing out. All done, Porsche 968. Got an outward dent in the hood, cracked the paint. I was able to flatten it out, I think with a little touch up, sand, polish. This thing looks great. There you go, paintless dent repair. It works on outward dents too. Thanks for watching.